In this drawing, we are going to draw a very beautiful drawing on a black paper. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So the first color I'm using is rose pink and applied with pressure. One thing to tell you that when you will complete this drawing, then this drawing is not going to look more good and impressive to you. But when you will stick this drawing on your wall and see it from some distance, then this will amazing, right? It will give you very very good feeling because जितने भी drops वाले drawing होते हैं जिसमें भी we see water drops, all these drawings looks good when you will see it from distance. अगर सामने से देखेंगे then it will not look good. So now I'm using primary red color and apply pressure in everything. So now we are completed with primary red. Now I'm using pink color, normal pink, not rose pink, right? I'm using pink color. And now again rose pink color. I use this rose pink at the beginning also, and now again I'm using primary red just to blend everything. And I will use pink color at one more time also to give a bright look. So now again I'm using normal pink color with pressure. You can see, follow the same process. You can see when I'm using pink color, normal pink, how beautiful this drawing is looking, right? So जब भी whenever you do any drawing in black paper, then always use lighter colors because they looks very very bright in black color, black paper. So now again I'm using pink color. ठीक है, पहले primary red and then pink. I'm really really sorry that I missed this part, but I will tell you everything. So now I'm using black color, and for the petals, so not petals, for the sepals जो green वाले part है, I have used leaf green color. एक बार और I will show you. ठीक है, हाँ देखिए ये करना नहीं था मुझे, राइट? ये जो अभी कर रहे हैं विद लीफ ग्रीन कलर करना नहीं था, बट आई हैव मिस्ड, दैट्स व्हाई आई यूज्ड. ठीक है, so now I'm using white now. You can also use white oil pastel or white acrylic color, but I have whitener, so I'm using white now. ठीक है, you can also use acrylic or oil pastel, white oil pastel. Both will look very good. So make the similar patterns with whitener. As you can see, it's like dot dot and any line, any round shape, कुछ भी जो आता है, right? Very very simple. For the reflections, I'm using primary red and leaf green color also. Now I'm using primary red, okay, and now leaf green. Okay, and I will blend everything also with my fingers. You can also use tissue papers. You can see for the reflections I'm doing. Okay, now gray color. Okay, and then I will use white also. White. Okay, now I'm blending with my fingers. You can also use anything. You can see the stalk जो stalk है rose का, that also has also blended and is giving a very very good look. लग रहा है कि पानी में reflections like this, right? So for the leaf, now I'm using leaf green color right now. ठीक है, and then for the outline I'm using sap green color. You can skip this part also. ठीक है, now I'm using deep green color to fill the leaf, and I will leave some space. You can see I've left some space in between for white. ठीक है, you can see now I'm using white color for the veins, for the midrib and everything, and then blend everything also. Now again I'm using leaf green color. ठीक है, so follow the same process as shown in the video. So I have told you before that you can also use white acrylic and white oil pastel for the drops. So I'm showing you how you can make drops with white oil pastel. ठीक है, see, I have blended also with my fingers. So you can see it's looking like a drop, and if you will see from distance, it will look more good. It will give you more impressive look. Okay, I'm making one more rose with primary red color. Okay, so for the same process, I have also used white color as you have seen. जैसे पहले किए थे, then the same way I'm using. ठीक है, but this is more simple than the bigger one. You can also skip this rose if you don't want. Again, I'm using white color. And for the stock, for the helmets and everything, I'm using leaf green color. And then I will blend also. See, I blended the same process. Okay. For the sepals also, I'm using leaf green color. You can also use deep green color, but I have told you that जितने भी black papers में lighter colors looks more good, so leaf green is will look more good. ठीक है, and deep green will not look more good. White, one more leaf with leaf green color. For the outline, I'm using black oil pastel. Okay, so follow the same process. For some highlights, again I'm using primary red color with pressure. Okay, you can see. Now again I'm using white oil pastel very lightly, and then I'm blending, okay, with my fingers. You can also use cotton cloth or tissue paper or anything whatever you have. Okay. Now again I'm using leaf green color and then blending. Okay. जो पहले किए थे the same process. Okay. For this also I'm using leaf green. Now again I'm using white color, white oil pastel. Okay. By now, our video is about to complete, and I hope you must have enjoyed this drawing. And in case you want to recreate this drawing, then please tag me on Instagram. The link of my Instagram ID is given on description box. I will be happier to review your drawings. So let's meet in next video.